Hi traders, welcome to our live trading session video and thank you for joining the Master the Markets team today and supporting us in our mission to spread the truth of trading and help you achieve consistent performance. It is still Norpan here, founder of Master the Markets Elite Traders Conference and the Traders Open Day. So here we are today on cable. We are looking at the 1 hour chart over here in correlation with the daily time frame. Okay, we're looking at almost a turning point. More specifically over here on the 1 hour, we had a rejection of the upper stretch line and now an opposite stretch. So this is what we call the opposite stretch trade. But however, we did come on to this quite late today, so we are not really in this trade at the moment. So this is why I've put a limit order. Okay, for those of you who caught that based on our previous videos, that's really good. Now, in terms of our trade, as you can see, we have a limit order at the moment, a sell limit on cable at 3655, which is this low of this bar here, a stop loss for the high, and a target for here. Of course, if the target is reached before we are filled, then we will cancel this order. Okay, so wait for that. Remember, some important lessons to learn from all of this is one,
if you're enjoying this video, go ahead and smash that like icon. If you haven't joined our channel yet, click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you get notifications immediately when we post up quality content like this, and especially to get our live trading updates sent directly to your phone.
if you miss a trade, put a limit order, be patient, follow your plan. The other thing is, do not do anything out of impatience and impulse. So far we are up in this small example here, just on only one instrument so far, one strategy, £450. Remember that don't let the impatience kick in, impulse kick in and lose back this profits. Okay, that kind of training of the mind is very, very critical. Okay, all we are showing you over here is what can be achieved through educational purposes. It's up to you how you want to choose it, how you want to risk manage, how you want to expand and scale onto other instruments. Everything we teach you over here is scalable, sustainable and reproducible. Okay, so I'll pause the video here, see if we do get filled up. If we do not, that's fine, we'll wait for another day. Okay, right, so I'll pause the video here. Let's see how the trade progresses. Okay traders, as you can see, the end of the hour has come, new bars come in. We still haven't been filled in. We'll keep our entry the same and our stop loss being the same place as well. We'll see how the trades come along and we'll see how to trade manage it as the hour progresses. I'll pause the video here and we'll check it in a short while. Okay traders, so there we go. We have now the trade filled in by this bar here. Now that's what we've been triggered into the trade onto the low on the limit order. Our stop loss is for the high of this bar, but now that this bar is closed.
For those of you who are unsure of any of the terminology or the concepts in this video, watch our free Trader Starter Pack 5-day video course as shown in Empire Cinema. It is educational, entertaining, and covers basics and advanced content with cross-transferable principles for trading and investments. It pertains to both beginners and intermediate traders, all dedicated towards helping you achieve consistent performance. Go ahead and register for it on the link below.
Now what we'll now do is we will trail that stop loss to the high of this bar here. Okay, so that if this does reverse, we'll come out of the trade. So what is the high of that bar? So we can see that 3663. So then we will do 3664, 3665. Okay, so that minimizes our loss just a little bit at the moment. That's what we have, and we will change that, and that has changed as well. Okay, so far it's been good. We got a good sell-off happening because time is on the run as well. Usually, as I said, it's got to fulfill its target by 3 p.m. so if it doesn't, then we'll come out of this trade, okay, by our stop loss that we have trailed to. So see how this resumes along into the hour. I'll pause this video and then we'll manage it accordingly. Okay traders, as you can see now the next bar has formed over here, which is this one here. Now we'll trail our stop loss to the high of the bar. So that is going to be the high of the bar. We'll move this to here now, just a tiny bit. And what's the high of that bar? 3661. So 3662, 3663 is what we will be doing. Actually, we can do it at 3662 because if it does get there, then we just can do it at 3663. Okay, for 1 pip spread. So let's see. So now it's processing, and then the order will be placed. So what we will do is also remember that the time is passing by for it to hit to its target. So if it doesn't close or hit target by the towards the next hour, we will look to see if we need to exit live as well. Okay, so that's what we will do. I'll see if I can process back this order again. Let's see that. So 3663 is what we're doing, and there you go, that's went through. So I'll pause the video here, so let's see how it progresses. Okay traders, as you can see over here, it's still not reached our target, so we'll just close this trade as of now, and we'll close it and we will take our short profits on there. The reason why we closed it is because even regardless of time, it's still not reached our target yet, and then after this time low volume will start to kick in, and that's not what we want to get involved with. Okay, so that's that on our live trading session here. So we can go and take a look. Very small profit here of 14 quid over here so far, 464 for the month. We'll keep preserving the profits, wait for a good runner, and then we will push it to a new equity high. But always remember, your first thing is always not towards pushing it towards new equity highs, but preserving your profits and limiting your losses. Alright? Okay, that's all for me on this video, and as we always say, till the next time, stay disciplined, follow your trading plan, and keep trading like a master.
If you want to get notified every time we put a video up, especially on our live trading update videos, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications icon. This will get the YouTube algos to kick in and for you to join us in our mission to spread the truth of trading further, so that traders like you can benefit from our videos to trade like a master, achieve consistent performance, and change lives.